Which community college your son is attending?
He's not attending. He's a senior at Lynbrook High School.
Okay.
And currently he has a weighted GPA of 3.2. And he's right now doing AP statistics in the 12th grade. And he had, I don't know the maths GPA. He had B's in the 10th grade in pre-calculus. And then he done AB, calculus AB, and he got B's on both. If the weighted GPA, math GPA is 3.5 and unweighted is, I think, 3, if you consider only the 10th and 11th math GPA. And
okay, so is he
I don't
planning
know.
to go
He's
to a
a
community
borderline.
college? So is he planning to come as a freshman or go to community college, or you
So
haven't
we'll
decided
apply,
yet?
we will apply as a freshman, and we don't know we'll get in or not, but we'll definitely want to come to San Jose. We don't want to send him away. We live in the Bay Area, and it will be like, and we have 3 more kids, so it's feasible to send him to either San Jose or the community college. That is the only choice we have. We don't want to send him away. Yeah.
Well, San Jose State is a great school. You have to understand this one.
Yes.
You know, I've been teaching many years at the school. I teach at Stanford too. You know, from time to time I teach at Cal State East Bay. I taught at Berkeley for about 9 years, you know, in the past, and all of this. I never felt welcome and appreciated as much as San Jose State. I mean, this is, you know, honestly, you know, that's, I mean, Twee is the chairperson of the electrical engineering department, but I'm not reporting to him. I'm working with him on helping the students. But that shows you that if your son would like to come to San Jose State, you know, keep in touch with the, you know, with the admission. The council admission, and at the high school they should have counselors, and those counselors will help them, you know, plan their transfer, their you know, getting to the school, and have, you know, make sure that it's clear to them, I want my son to be in the electrical engineering of San Jose State. And as Twee mentioned, you can go to that website and you can see all the classes, and you can just have this information sent back to the counselor, and they know. I mean, the high schools around here, we have meetings with them, you know, from the, not us, the admission department, to make sure that they service the local high school, they service the school that within the area before they can go outside.
Okay. And they do prefer the high schools in the Santa Clara County. They give extra 0.25 extra GPA average. San Jose State does give that. So if my son GPA is 3.2, I don't know, it will become 3.4 after that residence plus point. I don't know, they will consider it an admission or not, because since you said it is one of the top programs, so he's on the borderline. He might get in or he might not, but we will definitely come to San Jose electrical engineering department. That's we want to do.
Okay.
That is he'll end up in, hopefully, there.
I can tell you that both of my children graduate from San Jose State. Both of them get a master's degree, and after they graduate, after more than 2 years, they make more than me right now.
Yeah.
My son, my daughter, they both make more than me right now.
There's no question about it.
And they both of them get a master's degree from here. My son get a master's degree in EE. My daughter get a master's degree in biology.
Oh.
Yep.
and Twee graduated from Berkeley, just for information, to see how the high, you know, you're talking about one of the top schools.
I got a degree. I worked almost like 40 years. Now they make more than me. Just after 2 years.
Yeah, that's great. Okay.
But here's the deal. I'm going to make you happy with this. I'll give you my email and let your son communicate with me. Okay.
Okay.
Then, and the same thing, Rinaldo, if you have any question, this is my email. You know, if you guys have any questions, anything, just send me an email. Just make sure to mention, you know, that, you know, your father or your mother's, you know, talk to you in the open house. So I know that, because if I receive an email from somebody, I don't know the name of that person, then we are obligated with laws and regulation to be careful about, you know, about releasing any information.
Okay.
Thanks, Ahmed, and thanks to my daughter is still just a freshman, Mitty High School, but I've been telling her we want to keep her like Mawash saying local. No, I didn't want her going farther, so I've been telling her go to San Jose. So yeah, she's just a freshman right now, but
Good luck.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
my daughter is in the business school, and
Oh.
and she transferred from Mission College, and my son is coming to the mechanical engineering. Nobody want to be electrical engineer like me, and I don't know what's wrong with that. You know, electrical engineers make more money, but they don't want to. The business, she want to be the boss, and mechanical, he want to be with SpaceX. Okay, whatever. You know, you guys can do
No,
whatever.
maybe because you work too much on electrical. You know, my son when he go to San Jose State, he get to ME, not EE. Until I became the chair, I don't teach undergrad course anymore. Then he said, "Oh, you don't teach undergrad course anymore?" I said, "No, I don't." And I said, "Okay, I transfer to EE. I join the EE. So I don't want to teach your class." So maybe
Yeah,
that's what it
that's
is.
one thing. Yeah. So
Thank you,
that-
guys.
Yeah,
Thank you,
so that's
guys.
my email, guys. Good
All
luck,
right,
and we'll
okay.
see your kids
Thank
in
you.
in San Jose State.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.